Hi guys, and welcome back to the Becoming a Top Copywriter course. In this video I'm going to share with you another strategy for when it comes time to review your article, reviewing your work, your copy, your content. Now, it's all well and good reviewing something via the old proofreading method. You finish your article and you go over it carefully, I hope carefully and slowly. You read your content out, perhaps aloud, and then you try and catch any errors in the copy. However, what I have found is much more effective is to do that, and also let's use this article as an example. We're going to take the headline and the two introductory paragraphs. We're going to copy them and paste them into a text-to-speech software suite. I use Text Aloud because I quite like Paul's voice. I find it the most natural sounding. But to be honest, the voice is not meant to be natural sounding. I'll give you a sample.
Watch out for credit card scams. Credit and debit card fraud is one of the fastest growing crimes in Australia.
The point isn't to have an actual human reading it back to you. The point is, when you review your copy, your content, in this fashion, you are using a totally different sense. Let me describe it to you in this fashion. Visually, here, with the proofreading strategy, you simply read. You use your eyes. In this sense, you use your eyes and your ears, and this will catch all of those very, very tricky phonetic mistakes that we're all prone to make. For example, credit card fraud is one of the easiest crimes around. Now, if you heard this, let's have a listen to this. You see how easy it is to just overlook one tiny deletion like this. Now, when we're actually listening to the faulty sentence,
card fraud is one of the easiest crimes around.
Card fraud is on of the, it doesn't sound right. You can pick that up very easily. And I mean, needless to say, when you're dealing with top clients that are paying you top money, you cannot afford a single mistake. So this strategy is an additional layer of security that you can rely on. And make sure that you mention this in your cover letter if the client mentions in the job description you need to be a flawless editor, a fantastic proofreader. Make sure you mention that you have an editing system that is multifaceted, multi-layered, and catches all of the errors. So thanks for watching, guys. It's quite a short video. I mean, there's no real homework today. This is just a strategy that you should be aware of and you should utilize. And what I recommend that you do is find one of these text-to-speech software suites that you like. I like Text Aloud, and it costs, I believe, around $20 to purchase this software, but I believe there are less expensive versions out there. But as always, when you sacrifice price, so in many cases when you sacrifice price, you also sacrifice quality. In my experience, Text Aloud works very well. It's simple, it's intuitive, and it works very well for my purposes. So thanks again for watching, guys. If you have any questions at all, any comments, any feedback, any ideas on how I can make these videos better, please post those comments in the discussion section of this video. So thanks again, and I'll speak to you guys soon.